When you look at the properties of the RAM and you'll see a parenthesis, it says this much is usable. It's because you're using onboard video. Video requires some RAM. So if you don't have a discrete graphics card, and by a discrete graphics card, I mean you haven't added a graphics card, you'll notice when you buy a graphics card, it comes with RAM. In fact, it's often a selling point. How much RAM it's got affects how much it costs. Those things are directly related to performance. So when you're using onboard video, which is the video built into the CPU with either AMD or Intel, it has to get RAM from somewhere. And the manufacturers, like if you go to Best Buy and you look at the pre-built systems, they'll say, or they used to say, shared memory. It's not shared, it's stolen. Shared means you could get it back. The only way you get that RAM back is to put a discrete graphics card in. So long as you're using onboard graphics, it needs memory to come from somewhere. And oftentimes in the BIOS, you can actually fix an amount of memory to it. Like maybe you want the default to be a large amount. In most cases, the BIOS is set to auto, and it will fluctuate how much RAM it needs based on what demands you're placing on your card, and it'll take more when it needs more. But it definitely needs a minimum amount just to get your desktop up and get your video up. And that's why you'll see less RAM available. But it's not that that RAM isn't there or it isn't being used. It's being used for the graphics card, and the rest of it's being used for the operating system. But it's all being used. Thank you for watching this new Quick Tip series of videos, and I hope you enjoyed it. If so, you can let me know by clicking the thumbs up button below the video. And if you want to be alerted anytime new content is posted to my channel, be sure and click the subscribe button. After that, you'll see a little bell icon appear. Be sure and click the bell icon and make sure that the notification button is checked and how you want to be notified. That's going to wrap it up for this video. I'll see you all again very, very soon. Until then, bye for now.